Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now by protecting your data. Back up to my cloud or export to a PC because factory reset erases everything. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions and temporarily disable biometric locks if you can. You also need to sign out of your My account or at least know the password. Otherwise, the phone can stay activation locked. Now head into settings to begin the erase process. Don't pause. Proceed to the next stage. You'll now execute the reset. From settings, go to additional settings, then backup and reset and pick factory data reset. Tap erase all data and confirm. If asked, enter your PIN or lock password. This prevents accidental wipes. Alternatively, if the phone won't boot, power off and hold power plus volume up to enter recovery, then choose wipe data or factory reset and confirm. This cleans the user partition, cache, and settings, returning the system to factory condition, so be certain you backed up. You finish by selecting Reboot System now. The first boot can take several minutes, so be patient. Once the device starts, go through Android setup, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign into your My account to restore backups and settings. Make sure to reinstall essential apps and verify contacts and photos. If activation lock asks for the previous account, don't force tools. Try My account password recovery or contact Xiaomi support with proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.